I am Shukla. I am currently training in the Indian Military Academy. I have joined India back in 2019 as a part of 144th course. A brief introduction. I have completed my schooling from South City Public School, Kanpur itself, in 2019. And after completing my class 12th, I directly came to Militaire Academy from my seniors and several others, my family members. I have heard about Arun sir and the coaching institute, and I was keen to join the armed forces as my grandfather was a part of defense forces, and I was quite motivated by various other factors, including him. So after completing my class 12th, I came directly here and I gave my written for NDA in July, I guess. I cleared my written exam, and I came here for preparation of the SSB. I was here for around 3 to 4 months for the preparation of SSB. And as a contradiction to the norms which are prevailing in the society as of now, like the SSB institutions which are there, they are telling you that there is a crash course of 15 days that will make you clear through SSB. Okay, I guess that might be helpful for some of you guys, but believe you me that what I believe is the part of training the Law Military Academy, which I went and which several of my course mates, which are right now in the forces and undergoing training in the various academies, be it AFA, INA, or IMA. Like SSB is a process to introspect yourself. You get to several things about, get to know several things about yourself, get to introspect what true character you hold inside you. As sir always says that it's always about the OLQs. I believe everyone has OLQs. Everyone has that initiative, confidence, the things that they see in SSB. But the thing is, you have to introspect yourself and you have to bring out the qualities which are there in you for your future endeavors as well. And the course of SSB training in Law Military Academy, I believe, is not just preparing you for SSB, it's preparing you for the future endeavors of the life as well. In the course which we undergo here, like I believe it's a brainstorming sessions where we learn to expand our horizons, where we learn to learn new things and basically think outside the box. It's basically understanding what you know in a better prospect, in a better manner, and to learn things in a better way. This is what we went here, and Shukla sir was there to help us throughout. He used to guide us through everything. He used to make us believe that we have all those qualities in ourselves. We just need to enhance that, and we just need to realize our own potential. And moreover to that, yes, teaching is very important, learning is very important, hard work is very important. But the thing is, you have should have confidence in yourself, and you should believe that yes, you can do. Like what we used to do, we were a group of around, I guess, 8 or 10 odd guys, and we used to practice ourselves, be it GD, be it any lecture topics. They used to give us some topics, and we used to practice ourselves. And among 8 to 10, I guess 4 or 5 of us got selected. Two of them were selected through CDS, two of them were from India, and several different categories. So I believe what really important here in Law Military Academy is the confidence which you have and the brainstorming sessions, basically opening your mind and enhancing your way of thinking, the way you think and the way you realize things, the way you see things in a different manner is what makes it different from the other things which are prevailing in the society as of now. And believe me, I have met many of my course mates in the academy as well who are from that academies which are claiming that they can make you clear SSB in 15 days. I personally believe that that is just a myth. No one can become perfect in such a short span of time. You need to give yourself time. You need to introspect who you really are. You need to refine the qualities which are there in you. So, and as a part of, I'd like to congratulate all of you as you have chosen to be a part of the defense forces and made up your mind to be a part of the defense forces. And I can assure you that there is a promising future ahead. And once you become a part of the defense forces, you realize that what good life it is. And especially coming into the armed forces as an officer or be it any other rank, you will realize that there are a number of opportunities available for you, and life is promising as well. So my heartiest congratulations to all of you, and I wish you to see all of you in the armed forces beside.